I already know it's the lion! Whoa, do you hear that? That's just my ferocious stomach. What do you want for breakfast, Chris?
I also feel kind of sleepy. And really hungry. Oh, I need to find something to eat.
Look up. They can be high in the canopy. This search might take a while. Time for a snack.
It's because you're a little hangry, aren't you, Mr. Belly? You just get some breakfast.
I know, I'm hungry too. Ooh, good idea. It's second helpings for you.
That's what you get when you skip breakfast. See, today we've had chocolate, strawberry, marshmallow crunch, pecan, double chocolate chip, vanilla, licorice delight, and molten milk ball shakes. Let's have a listen. Oh, you ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, some water, and is that celery? Yes, that is celery! Wow!
Okay, other people. And my belly is rumbling. I'm hungry.
Well, today I learned that your belly isn't